What up guys, so welcome back to another tutorial in Python for the 15th tutorial. So in this tutorial guys, wala naman itong masyadong like something I just want to say this will be the last part na ipapakita ko on I mean like how to print variables like for this, because I think it's important rin, and also for you guys to know about this because malay nyo magamit nyo to. And napansin ko kasi to noong like nagtithesis kami, tapos may nakita ko yung gumawa ng yung author basically ng thesis na yun is like they did something like this. So napansin ko lang, so why not include it because baka magamit nyo yun. So kung makikita nyo, alam nyo naman to, diba? So basically may variables kayo, integer data type, at saka 1.2 float, and also a boolean, then a string. So kung may alam kayo sa ibang programming languages, basically alam niyo na to like ang tawag dito guys, sa mga hindi pa, ang tawag dito is the format, ang tawag dyan specifier. Yeah, sabihin Python. So sa Python kasi hindi ito masyadong ginagawa. Like yung mga previous tutorial on how to print variables, yun yung karamihan na ginagawa, lalo na sa f-strings. So eto, just an example is, for example, example tong integer variable. So, gusto natin itong i-print ng 1. Ganyan. So, you can do is, the value is, then %i, then, ganito lang yung syntax niya. Then, lalagay kayo dito ng %, then, ilalagay nyo sa, opening, closing parenthesis. Then, just run it, then, lalabas is, yung magiging value ng %i nito, for short, the format specifier is yung like eto. So, magiging in correspond lang siya dyan. So, what if, pwede rin bang like another? Pwede. So, for example, eto kung makikita nyo, for %s, string, %i, integer, and %f float. So, basically, ganun lang naman. So, for example, %s, ganyan. So, all you have to do, para sa sunod is, lagay kayo ng comma, then copy-paste nyo dyan. So, I will be var int and %s will be var string. Ganyan. So, di ba? So, very simple. So, ito kasi, I think this is applicable or ginagawa to noong Python version 2 o yung mga 2 point something pa lang, 2.7 ganon. So, ganun ata. I think, nabasa ko ata sa sa Stack Overflow nung, kasi napansin ko lang to Ganon. So, basically, if you want to print, for example, yung float, ganyan. So, ganyan. So, basically, actually, pwede nga rin guys i-print a string. Pero this is printed out as a string, ganyan. So, same with tawag dyan, boolean, ganon. So, ganon lang naman guys. Very simple, diba? So, i-add ko lang is, sa float, is you can do this. Sa ibang languages kasi applicable rin to. So, dito rin oo. So, for example, di ba printed ko to? This is printed out as 1.20000 ganyan. So, what if I want to print out hanggang, for example, dalawang decimal places lang. So, what you can do is 0.2f. So, ganyan. So, dalawang decimal places lang after the dot. Yan. So, dagdagan ko like something like 3. So, 3. 4. Ganyan. So, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ganun na naman guys. That's it. So, again, as I've said, I don't know kung gagamitin nyo to. This is basically, again, as I've said, Python 2. Bihira lang to gamitin. Karamihan, sikat yung mga previous kong tutorials na about sa printing and also lalo na sa f-strings. Yun. So, nakita ko lang to sa isang thesis na pinag-aaralan ko rin nung nag-thesis kami. Kasi maganda yung thesis na yun I just want to say guys, thank you so much talaga guys sa mga, nagsusubscribe, sa mga nagsusupport, all the comments, ganon guys. To be honest guys, I am really thankful talaga. Kahit ganito, kahit sa mga simpleng thank you lang, ganon. Parang nakakagaan, ang gaan sa loob kasi, nakakatulong rin, ganon. So, and also, to be honest, rin sa part ko is, as you can see, yung uploads ko is inconsistent talaga. Yeah, kahit ako, it's a fact. It's a fact talaga. Masasabi kong inconsistent talaga. And, gusto ko rin na maging consistent, to keep recording this. But at the same time, cause guys, I've been doing this, stuff like, having, some jobs, part-time jobs, So, that's the thing, may, siyempre, ganun, intindihan nyo naman guys, diba? Like, siyempre, ganito tayo in the Philippines, you need to graduate, you need to, be financially stable, kung magkakaya mo nung, like, ang ano yung mga kasabihan, like, tumayo sa sarili mong paa, yung mga ganon, so, the point is you need to do that naman once in your life, maybe for the rest of your life, ganon, so, kaya medyo inconsistent ganito, pero to be honest, I'm still doing my best, may nakahanda pa rin, and at the same time guys, sa mga in the jobs that I'm in, I will be in sa mga kung ano man ang mangyari, is for sure nandyan yung learnings, and I am open to share new things. So yung mga plinano ko, like nakalista ng mga list of tutorials is probably madadagdagan pa yun, so marami guys, I got a lot of things to share, lalo na. So, pero depende pa rin sa company, pwede, syempre, papaalam pa rin ako. Ganun yung point. So, yun guys, pero I just want to say na, syempre, ganito sa mga darating na araw, maybe I might be inconsistent, pero guys, yun lang, I just hope na, maintindihan yung ganun. So, also, if you have, may mga like questions kayo, anything sa tutorial, you can, guys, kindly PM me sa Facebook page ko, kasi may mga tao rin nagpi-PM, may nagtatanong rin, and that's actually good. Na-appreciate ko yun. Yun. So, yun guys, just want to say that, thank you.